Traveling to the United States as a green card holder can be exciting, yet challenging. With evolving immigration policies and heightened security measures, permanent residents often face increased scrutiny and questioning at U.S. ports of entry. This video will cover essential rights that green card holders have when detained or questioned at airports and border crossings.
USA MONDE.
Understanding these rights is vital to ensure a smoother experience and protect your residency status. As a green card holder, you need to understand your rights at U.S. ports of entry. Traveling to the United States as a green card holder can sometimes feel stressful. Changes in immigration policies and increased security measures have led to extra scrutiny at airports and border crossings. It is important for every green card holder to know their rights. Being well informed not only eases anxiety, but also helps ensure a smoother entry process into the country you call home. The importance of knowing your rights. As a green card holder, you have specific legal protections that can be very different from those offered to tourists or temporary visa holders. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) officers are responsible for inspecting everyone who enters the country. For green card holders, the process is designed to verify your identity and confirm your status as a permanent resident. However, due to changes in immigration enforcement and heightened security, many green card holders now experience increased questioning and longer inspections. Understanding your rights, such as the right to remain silent and the right to request legal counsel, can make a big difference if you find yourself detained or questioned at the border. What happens during inspection? When you arrive in the United States, CBP officers will check your documents and ask questions about your travel history. As a returning resident, you are treated differently from those entering on a tourist visa. CBP officers understand that you have established your life in the United States and therefore have rights and privileges that do not apply to temporary visitors. For example, while tourists may be asked many detailed questions about their travel plans, green card holders are typically given more respectful treatment. You have the right to remain silent if you feel uncomfortable with the questions asked. Moreover, if you believe your rights are being violated, you can ask for an attorney. These protections are designed to help you navigate the inspection process confidently. Steps to take if you are detained. If you are detained by CBP officers, remember that you still have important rights. One of the first things you can do is ask to contact your embassy or consulate. This connection can be essential, especially if you need assistance from officials who understand your home country's language and culture. Another critical step is to request legal representation. Having an attorney by your side ensures that you understand what is happening and that you are treated fairly. Your lawyer can help communicate with CBP officers and make sure that all your rights are respected. It is important to know that green card holders enjoy more legal protections than non-immigrant visa holders. For instance, if you are detained, you have the right to a hearing before an immigration judge. If removal proceedings are started against you, this is not a right that all temporary visitors possess. Such protections are in place because your status as a permanent resident means you have already built a life in the United States, and the law recognizes that. Understanding special cases and increased scrutiny. Sometimes, circumstances may cause a green card holder to be classified as an arriving alien, which means you may face even more detailed questioning at the border. One common reason for this classification is if you have been outside the United States for too long. Generally, if you have been away for more than 180 days without a valid re-entry permit, authorities may suspect that you have abandoned your permanent resident status. This situation may lead to additional scrutiny during the inspection process. Other factors can also affect your status. For example, if you have a criminal record or have been involved in illegal activities, CBP officers might see you as a higher security risk. This could lead to further questioning or even initiate removal proceedings. Additionally, if you are already in removal proceedings, it will make re-entry into the United States more complicated. Understanding these factors and how they can impact your status is important, so that you can be prepared and take the necessary steps to protect your rights. The danger of signing documents without legal advice. One of the most critical pieces of advice for green card holders is to be very cautious about signing any documents at the port of entry. In some cases, you may be presented with Form I-407. Signing this document means that you are giving up your green card status, which can result in the permanent loss of your residency rights. It is very important to fully understand any document before you sign it. Do not feel pressured to sign anything on the spot. Always request legal counsel if you are unsure of the implications. A lawyer can help explain what the document means and advise you on the best course of action. Thanks for watching.